Hello my friends and welcome to a new science lesson. Today we are going to talk about matter again and properties of materials. So what are materials? Materials are different substances that we use to make different things. Depending on the properties that they have, we use them for one thing or another. Today we are going to start talking about wood. Here I have two different objects made of wood. We use this one to cook and this one here as decoration. Wood comes from the trunk of the trees. It is very easy to work with and it's very light. It's not very heavy. It burns very easily when the fire comes, and it is not a good conductor of heat or electricity. What can we use wood for? We can use it to build houses, to make furniture, or to make paper. The next material we are going to talk about today is textile, like this one or the shirt I am wearing. They come from plants, animals, or artificial fibers. They are easy to work with, they are flexible, as you can see, and they are very resistant. And depending on the fiber, it has different properties. The next material we are going to talk about today is glass. Here I have these two objects that are made of glass. Glass is a mix between sand and other materials. As you know, glass is hard, is transparent, is waterproof, that means that we can put water inside, and it's very long lasting. It can last a lot of time, a lot of years. But it's also very fragile. That means that if it falls down, it is going to break. Glass is not a good conductor of heat or electricity. The next material we are going to talk about today is pottery. This vase, for example, for these beautiful flowers is made of pottery, and this object for the milk is also pottery. We obtain pottery from the mix between clay and other minerals and water. We take this mixture, we model it, and then with fire, we make it hard, long-lasting, and resistant. They are not very good conductors of heat and electricity. And what can we use pottery for, apart from these beautiful objects? We can use it to make bricks, to build houses, or even for spaceships. The last material we are going to talk about today is metal. Here I have three objects that are made of metal. We know this one perfectly, that is a fork, and we use it to eat, for example. Some metals come directly from nature, but others are a mix between different minerals. Metals, all of them, are heavy, are ductile, and malleable. Malleable means that we can modify them with heat, obviously. They are very good conductors of heat and electricity. That means if we touch a metal object that has been on fire, we're going to get burned, okay? That means that it's a good conductor. So be careful with metals. Now we are going to talk about properties of new materials. New materials have been developed in the 20th and 21st century. That's why we call them new. The first new material we are going to talk about today is plastic. Plastics are light, cheap, and easy to mold. Most plastics are made from petroleum and others are made from cellulose or rubber. The second new material we are going to talk about today are composites. Composites are made from 2 or more materials. They are used in construction, planes, and sport equipment. Another new material is optical fiber. Optical fiber is a flexible, transparent thread made of glass. It is thin as a human hair. It is used to communicate information and take pictures inside our body. Last new material is smart clothing. We have 3 examples of smart clothing: solar-safe clothing, fire-resistant clothing, and waterproof, breathable clothing. This is everything for today, my friends, so I really hope you enjoy this science class and you learn a lot. See you next day!